Myanmar is a country that was already deep in crisis due to the years-long civil war, and it's clear that this devastating earthquake has compounded a situation that was already desperate. Aid is getting in, but there are challenges getting it to some of the most in need communities. Sagaing, for example, one of the worst hit areas, is already home to a third of Myanmar's 3.5 million internally displaced people. Of course, displaced because of the civil war, and it is also a difficult and dangerous place to get into.
We do have teams that managed to arrive there just yesterday after very, very long days of travel. Again, the roads that are leading in there are damaged. There is a bridge just outside the city that has collapsed. The situation inside Sagaing, there are buildings that are collapsed. Again, there are families and children that are sleeping outside. Everyone is afraid.
Here in Thailand, authorities are continuing with their rescue efforts despite that 72-hour period where chances of survival are much higher, being well and truly over. As you can see around me, there's a huge volunteer and rescue effort going on. Police, military, paramedics, and of course advanced specialist rescuers. But too, there are just huge numbers of volunteers and community groups that are supporting the people doing this important work. Now, the governor has said that they will continue, they still have some hope, they will continue with the rescue efforts. They've identified some areas inside that collapsed building where they think people may have been able to survive, so they're concentrating on particular zones of the building. But it is, of course, extremely hot here. The conditions are difficult, and there's a huge effort going on here. But as you can see around me, people really looking after each other, and of course looking after those people that are waiting here to find out the fate of their loved ones.